This thing even sounds like an M3. Check it out. Hey guys, Bruce T here. Today, I'm going to turn this car into an M3. Stand by, you'll see how. Alright, so in Germany everybody has an M3 and I want one too. So instead of buying a $40,000 M3, I got these grills here. I'm going to turn my Honda Accord into an M3. So we'll see how this comes out. Hopefully it comes out good. Alright. The one with the M3 logo, that always goes on the driver's side. So I'm going to put this just like that. And nobody will know I have a Honda Accord. They'll be like, oh my god, that M3 is sweet. Cheapest way to get 400 horsepower, right? Put the grills on. So let's put these on and see how it comes out. I got my tie wraps here ready to go. Let's just feed these in here like this. Alright, this is gonna look awesome. So there's one. Let's see if I can put this on. Well, let me get this one routed. Alright, there's two. Next, I'm gonna see exactly how it's gonna go. Feed this over here. Like so. This is gonna look sick. Alright, do that one like that. And let's see if I can find the other end of this one. That's one. That's two. I think that's gonna work. Let's do that this way more. A little loose over here. I think I need to tie wrap them together. Stand by. I'm gonna get another tie wrap. Wow. I can't believe how much this looks like an M3 already. So we'll put this like this. Tighten it up. Guys, I'm looking at this and it's like I'm looking at an M3. The grill makes it look a little bit lighter, but oh my god, this car. Alright, I'm gonna reveal it to you guys right now to show you how it came out. But the kidney grills, it's like it's a real M3. So let's pan the camera around and I'll show you. Check it out. Looks just like an M3 grill. The results are ridiculously nice. Look, the wheels look different. Carbon fiber roof. Quad tip exhaust. I'd say it looks like a real M3. More on this next video.